Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see the solution to the LeetCode problem odd even linked list. So like the question says, we're given a linked list and we have to group all the odd nodes together followed by the even nodes. And odd nodes meaning the odd index numbers. For example, the index number 135 and the even index number 234. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want 135 first, the odd indices, and then the even indices. Likewise here, we want this odd and this is odd and this is odd. So basically all the odd indices first, like 1357 or 248, the even indices after it. So we'll be following a very simple approach, that is we'll collect all the odd nodes before and then afterwards we'll add the even nodes after it. So first let's take care of the case if head is empty or head has only one element. So head dot next is equal to null. So if head is null, then head is empty, and head dot next is null, meaning head has only one element. So in both of those cases, we simply return head because in that case only head is our answer. Then we'll have two pointers, say odd, which will initially be head, and list node even. Head because head is 1, index 1, and that is odd. And even will be head dot next, which will be 2, which is the even index. So odd and even will be like this. So we have list node odd and list node even. And then we'll have one more pointer which will be towards the end of the even linked list, because we have to add our even list to the back of the odd list. So we'll just call that even head. So even head is equal to head dot next, or even head is equal to even. So even head is pointing towards the head of the list which will contain the even indexes. And then we'll keep on traversing through the linked list. So while even not equal to null and even dot next not equal to null. So we'll start with odd. So odd dot next will be the even dot next. And then we'll move odd to our next position. So odd is equal to odd dot next. Now even will be odd's next position. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this will be odd initially, this will be even initially. So odd will be even dot next, odd's next will be even dot next, that is 3. Then odd will become this. So even's next, that is 2, will be odd dot next, that is 4. So even dot next is equal to odd dot next, simply. And then move even to the next position. So even is equal to even dot next. And then when we're done, odd dot next, with this we're joining our list. So odd now is pointing towards the last odd element, and at the end of that we'll have our list of even indices. So odd dot next will be even head, and in the end we'll just return head because we all did this after head only. So what we're doing is simply we're just collecting the odd nodes and we're taking that, and at the end we're putting all the even nodes. So let's try to submit it. Yeah, so that was our approach. Basically a very simple thing, just simply collecting all the odd nodes and after that putting all the even nodes. So that's all. Thank you.